So I built this welding table for my small garage shop. It fits great in the available space that we have. It's not only very stable top with holes for fixtures, but it's also completely mobile because I attached casters on the ends of the legs so that I can move it anywhere I want. And I have used this for a ton of projects, but what I realize is that it's just not a welding table. It's used for a number of other activities, cutting, grinding, sanding, bending, you name it, besides welding. So in this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tweak it. I'm going to reduce its height because it's a little bit too high for me, and I'm going to also build a shelf underneath the top in order to store materials and tools. So let's see how that project goes. The free plans I obtained from Red Wing Steelworks called for the table to be 42 inches high, but I found it was more comfortable at 38 inches, so out comes the cutting disc. I deburred, squared off, and beveled the cut ends with a flat disc. I decided to weld a 4-inch flat bar the full width of the legs. I drilled holes to accept the casters before welding. I size cut, beveled, and cleaned 4 pieces of 1-inch angle and positioned them on the inside of the table legs. Then I welded them into place to create a frame. The shelf is a piece of raised steel mesh. So there you have it, an upgrade from just a welding table to a working fabrication table. Great stability, but total mobility. A perfect height for me for when, in particular, I'm cutting and grinding on projects. And of course, I have this great shelf that I can, put all kinds of materials and tools, etc., that I want to keep off the work surface while I'm doing a project. So I hope this gives you some ideas in terms of improving your own workspace. Thanks for watching.